Hi guys, it's David, Win August University here, and today I just want to show you guys a quick demo on Lux Algo. It's a trading platform, a trading software that you can utilize on top of your trading view. What I love about it is that it helps you track signals. So it tells you basically some advice when it comes to when it's time to sell, when it's time to buy, and it honestly works really, really well. So right here I have a chart up called Dogecoin, our beloved Dogecoin, and that's a cryptocurrency if you guys don't know. Elon Musk has been talking about a lot lately, and this is in trading view. So if you guys would have listened to the sell signal here, you would have took profit at the top here. And I have this in the 3-minute view, but you can actually go back down to the 15-minute view, which I find a little more accurate. Okay, but I like to trade quick. So you can see there's a strong purchase there. This had a buy signal there at the moving up towards the top there. Some strong selling pressure, but you don't have to listen to this at T, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good, right? So, and you can customize how aggressive you want the signals to be. So let's say if I was to load this indicator here and go to my settings here, I can actually adjust sensitivity levels. So if I want to be less sensitive, I'll actually bring it up to 50, right? So it give me less buy and sell signals with the data that it has. Now I like it to be super sensitive, okay? I like to be super sensitive, so I can get more signals because I like to get in and out pretty quickly, okay? Depending on what crypto or what stock it is, I like to adjust accordingly, okay? So you can see that it just refreshed there. So that signal told you to sell here at that point, buy at that point, and you guys can adjust it depending on what your needs are. I like to keep it at that setting right there, like 11. So let's move to something else. For example, Celsius Network is something that I track as well. To a T, it tells you when you should consider selling or when you should consider buying, okay? There, we're down to 5.73, and then boom, moved upwards, and I'm sure it's gonna say a sell signal at some point soon. Would have told you, let's see here, to buy here when things were moving, and it would have told you to sell there. So is it 100%? Depending on your settings, I'm gonna go into a 5-minute view, and you're gonna find that it's more, since I have my settings pretty intense. So if you go to that 5-minute window here, that would have signaled you to buy. So it's a little bit more aggressive with the setting, okay? Because of my sensitivity is super low number. That means it's like right to a T. So that's going to go to that 1-minute to 5-minute view, and you want to make this a higher number if you're going to go to that 15-minute, 30-minute view. Okay, it's just the way you trade. It's just the way that you adjust your settings. Everyone's going to be a different type of trader. Everyone's going to have different settings that they prefer. But this is the setting I like because I'm usually viewing in like that 5-minute window. Okay. So if you would have bought here and sold there, you would have made your profit. Let's go to Tesla. Okay, Tesla is right now having not the strongest day here. Let's go to the 15-minute view. Okay. So when there was some sell pressure up at 864, 865, it did warn you to most likely it's probably a good time to sell here. And yeah, we had that ride downward. So it's not signaling an upwards momentum yet, so there's no buy signal here yet. I'm sure that will happen hopefully by the end of the day. But yeah, I use this to help me a little bit on my trades, and if you have the time throughout the day, you can literally just utilize your own brain, of course, but you can follow these signals. Like look at the buy was at 783, told you to sell at 877, so you would have made a hefty little profit there on each share. if you would have listened to the signals. Okay. So, you know, this is a really cool, easy to use platform that you can use for any pair at all, whether it stock market, whether it crypto. Let's check out Bitcoin real quick here. Look how accurate this is. Okay. Should have sold at 47072. Should have sold at 48176. Should have bought here. You know, you can do this all day, every day. All day, every day. Okay? All day, every day on the charts. So it's a very powerful tool if you use it wisely, guys. And not let your emotions get to you. That's what happens to me sometimes, is I let my emotions get to me on my trades, right? And I've been trying to do that less and less lately. I find with the buy and sell signals with Lux Algo, it does definitely help, okay? So Lux Algo overall is a way to enhance your charts, get advanced signals. Now they do have an amazing Discord as well, which they do give recommendations on what you should be trading, what you consider trading. And this algorithm basically gets added to your trading view chart, okay? Emotions and noisy charts are the reason why 90% of traders are unsuccessful, right? This is Lux Algo version 3, so there's been 3 generations of Lux Algo already. And how does it work? See through the noise and get better signals. Make a free trading view profile and sign up with us to view Lux Algo charts on any market. Works on any device in real-time data. So you can do it on the desktop. You can do it on the phone as well, which is very, very nice on the phone. I do this while I'm on the go. And you can join the Discord group as well with 24-hour support. Okay, this is everything that you get: access to every Lux Algo indicator, trading view, VIP Discord group with scanners and callouts, real-time alerts, easy to set up, 24-hour support, free lifetime updates, and you can cancel anytime. Trusted by over 10K traders. I'm one of them. Okay, and I'm still learning this trading space, but this tool has been amazing. It's just simply amazing. I just can't believe I didn't have it earlier, to be honest. Now, if you guys want to take action on Lux Algo, okay? If you guys want to take action on Lux Algo, when I first got in, I got the quarterly plan. Honestly, the yearly plan is probably the best way to go because you're gonna get 40% off. Okay. Now I'm gonna give you guys a code for an additional 20% off. If you click on the link down below, and I'll have the coupon code so you guys can save money, because to start off making money, you need to save a little bit of money to invest in this stuff. Invest in your stocks, invest in your crypto, and invest in this platform, okay? And Lux Algo, try for yourself and let me know what you guys think. They accept Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Stripe. I told you what you guys get with it. You can pay the $67.99 a month to try it. Honestly, though, if you're going to trade more than a few days, then you might as well get the quarterly or the yearly. So you save 30% on the quarterly plan, you save 40% on the yearly plan. Now, if you guys do have a little bit of, you guys and girls have a little bit of funding, $489 might be the best bet, so you're paying less per year, okay? If you see yourself trading for longer than a year, or longer than a few months, then you should definitely get the yearly plan, save some funds, okay? Like I said, I'm gonna offer you guys the 20% off code in the description below and in the comment section. So if this was helpful for you guys to see Lux Algo in motion, then please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button for future videos. And I do like that you can basically go into any stock and any crypto and any forex pair and see the information, right? See, if you have not as aggressive settings, then this is gonna actually not tell you to sell as often, okay? The reason why it's telling you to sell and buy so often is that's for like a day trader. If you want to be less aggressive with it, we can actually adjust this to, let's say, 250, right? And it's gonna tell you a lot less signals. Maybe I went a little too crazy with that update. Okay, let's go 100. And agility, yeah, 100. See? It would have not even told you anything until you hit that top peak and then to sell before this big crash here for MicroStrategy. If you guys don't know who MicroStrategy is, they are software and technology company, and they bought heavily into cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, okay? Right? So you guys can look for yourself here. They would have told you to buy probably way back, because this is super non-aggressive at all with my settings. Yeah, maybe I turned it up way too high. See how you can customize the settings to the way you wish, and it can affect your whole trading day basically. And Lux Algo gives you all these settings as well, so you don't have to worry about this. This is just me playing around. Let's say we went to 50, okay? See, it depends on how aggressive you put your settings there. So, like I said, I like to have it like that lower number. Let's say we go down to 20. And this one, agility is a 30. You see how you have a little bit more patterns here. So you would have bought there and sold at 6.8. Even then, guys, look at this. Buy in at 5.31 a share, okay? Sell at 6.85. Like, who's complaining? Who's complaining? I know you guys aren't complaining, but buy here 5.98, sold at 7.33. That's a big win, guys. That's a big win. And just follow the charts, follow the signals. Obviously, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor by any means. But with the software, it's definitely helpful. And I'm going to be utilizing this to trade more and more regularly, as well as I have more time in front of the computer and have more time at home in my office here. So if you guys want to get Lux Algo and take advantage of the promotion and help my channel out as well, click on the link down below in the description and in the comments. That's my affiliate link, and then you guys can buy. I recommend like the yearly plan because you save 40% if you have the money, but you can do the $67.99 or $143 quarterly as well. And yeah, I appreciate you guys watching this, and I'm going to be going live actually very soon with Lux Algo activated as well. So keep the lookout for that by subscribing and hitting the notification bell and turning it on. And this is David Nguyen, August University. I appreciate you guys watching my Lux Algo video. Please take action. Start earning. Rather than spending and wasting money, start earning, learning how to trade, learning how to leverage these companies and technologies and cryptos so that you can make money and laugh all the way to the moon, laugh all the way to the bank, all right? So it's David Nguyen, August University, out. See you guys in the next video.